This is Josh Hebert. Josh is captain of the Windham Windup first robotics team, which is headed to the national championship in St. Louis. Josh, we're here in your workshop today. What's going on?
Well, today we have the arm here, and what we're planning on doing is working on the code for the arm to make it work better. Because at the Grand State Regional, we had a few problems with the arm coming down too fast, smashing on the floor. That's why we have these pieces of foam on there. So what we're hoping to accomplish is be able to have a little more control of the arm than what we have now. It's not so much a hardware problem right now, it's just software. So hopefully we can get that done quick, get it right back from the robot, and be ready for St. Louis.
Josh, what is the mindset of your team as it's heading to...
We're really optimistic, we're excited. There's a huge amount of adrenaline on the team. We're excited to be going to St. Louis. We're honored also for getting this award. I mean, 52 teams and we're the only one who got it. It's a great feeling.
Josh, thank you very much.
Router there. That's probably a bad idea. That was for the router. It was like...
This is Scott Cookstill. Scott is the faculty advisor to the Windham Windup, the first robotics team from Windham High School. Scott, what is it that the students get out of FIRST Robotics?
What they get is a full engineering experience, all the way from the initial statement of a problem through the design and then into the construction and finally the testing, and finally they get to see their creation on the field and actually performing on the field in a real contest. So it's also a chance for students to interact with adult mentors, engineering, electrical, computer science, and they get sort of a real taste for what it's like to do a real-world engineering project.
How helpful is this for them as they go off to engineering colleges and also to the work world?
Well, certainly in engineering colleges, a lot of colleges these days are concentrating more on project-based learning. So they'll have a leg up on other students if they've had a chance to really explore their ideas by putting them together in projects. And then once you get into the work world, that's all it is in the world is real life projects. So that gives them some experience in having done that.
How good, Scott, is this team? What has it got to work on before the national championship in St. Louis?
Well, I'm really proud of what they've accomplished so far. They came in, none of them had experience doing this before. So they've basically came together very well as a team. We went to a preseason scrimmage. They kind of got their feet wet there so that when we hit Grand State Regional, we were really hit the ground running and we're performing at full bore. So I think in St. Louis now we're basically going to go to show off what we've done so far and to learn even more from the veteran teams that are going to be there.
Scott, thank you very much. This is Max Del Rio. Max is a member of the Windham Windup first robotics team. And Max, what have we got here?
It's a mini-bot that goes up the pole as fast as it can during the last 10 seconds of autonomous or teleop. So basically, let's watch it run.
Okay, let's do it. And that is FIRST Robotics.
You know what you should